Good morning, brothers and sisters. Have a wonderful Sunday. You are most welcome to Awakening Democracy in India. I have a very wonderful and practical message for you today on this particular Sunday. What a marvelous time! What a wonderful time God has given to us to fulfill our desires and to fulfill our duties towards our country, towards the world also. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you something which has always been told but never has been practiced. Look at some of the hypocrites of our society. They say one thing and they do another thing. Because of this difference, we do not practice what we say. Some results have gone very, very bad. Results has not come because we did not practice what we preached. Look at so many holy books which teach us. For example, in the Quran, it is said that no Muslim should take interest on his money. But ask yourself, if you are true Muslim, how many Muslims are taking interest on their money? And how many Muslims do not pay the wages of the poor on time? Even some of the Muslims are charging 10% interest on their money. Did Allah say so? No. So fear Allah. Have hope of Allah. In the same way, we see some of the facts. Jainism, Mahavir Swami teaches, do not accumulate wealth. But so many Jains are richest people in society. So many Jains are so rich, they do not believe in humanity. They believe in accumulating wealth. Business to them is first. In the same way, it is in the Bible. Jesus Christ says, what does he say? Jesus Christ says, if you are thirsty, come to me, I will give you water. But do Christians offer water? Leave aside offering water. They also charge lot of money from the rich people. They say that we are charging this money to serve the poor. But they are wrong. If they are true believers in Jesus Christ, they should open the doors of education for all children of India without fees. Why are you charging so much fees which cannot be afforded by the poor? In all religions, in all holy scripts, our preachers have taught us to be good. In Guru Nanak Dev has said, what did he say? Bande ek khuda ke Hindu Musalman, dawa Ram Rasul da ladde be iman. The Guru says that we all are children of one God. It is only the dishonest people who quarrel among themselves. This is the clear-cut message. In the same way, all religions teach us to be honest, to be truthful, to be dedicated towards, not only towards our family, but our society and our country and even the world. So, it is we people, we do not practice what we preach. That's why result does not come. So now is the right time to look, to focus on the problems which are burning problems of the world. There are, on this mother earth, there are still some countries where electricity has not reached. Look at South African nations. Look at some of the Asian nations. If you go to rural areas, there are no chances. There is no chance of having electricity. The houses are still not proper to live in them. So what I want to say, that let us make this earth heaven here itself. Do not imagine that you will have heaven somewhere else. Even if we are in the hell, we can make it heaven. It is up to us. Let's work hard for in the best interest of democracy all around the world. All people have right to live a dignified life. Thank you. if you are watching this and if you are sharing it, your coming children will progress. They will be able to live in peace. Look at Gaza. What is happening? My brothers and sisters are starving there. Let that starvation end there. Honorable Prime Minister of Jerusalem, of Israel, what are you doing? People are laughing at you. Stop it. I have seen you. I have been listening your name on the BBC since 1998. Please give it up. Pave the way for other person so that all can live in peace. This is the bitter truth. All human beings have right to live. I do not say that only Palestinians have right to live. I do not say only the Jews have right to live. All human beings, whether they are Jews, whether they are Muslims, whether they are Christians, whether they are Hindus, or whether they are Jains, Buddhists, whosoever they are, all human beings have right to live a dignified life. This is the message of our democracy. So please, let us build, not break. Let us start doing something constructive and creative to make a better world, because environmental issues are haunting us. The environmental issues are very, very dangerous. So many people are dying today due to natural calamities. You see, where is our greed? How long it will keep on going? Let us stop our greed for some time and let us start planting trees. Let us start building new homes for those who don't have home to live in, who don't have shelter. So this gap between the rich and the poor must be bridged to make this earth a heaven here itself. Thank you very much for watching this channel. Have a wonderful time. May God bless you and all may live happily. All may have good health. All children of the world should have smiling faces. All should have nutritious food to eat. All should have excellent book to study. Let's make this earth livable, worthy to live on it. We cannot damage it. We cannot see it being damaged in front of our own eyes. Thank you very much. I beg your pardon if anything wrong is said. But please, please, if you sacrifice little bit, a huge change can be brought about. This is what I want to say. Have a nice time. Thank you for watching Democracy. Thank you for watching Awakening Democracy in India. You are most welcome. Have a nice Sunday. Thank you.